How to change your YouTube channel name. If you want to rebrand your channel name on YouTube, this video is for you. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your YouTube interface, navigate to the address bar and make sure to open your YouTube studio. In this case, it's studio.youtube.com. This will drop you to an interface like this. Among the list of menus on the left panel, continue to click on customization. Then with this selected, when you scroll down a bit, you have the option to change your channel name. My current channel name is Mubarick MD, and to change it, all you have to do is to make sure you click in the box, and then you can make the necessary changes that you want. Let's say for instance we type something like Mobi. After that, you can proceed to click on publish. A caveat to take note: choose a channel name that represents you and your content. Changes made to your name and picture are visible only on YouTube and not other Google service. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So make sure any name that you select is a name that you want to maintain it for this long duration. If you are satisfied with this requirement, you can just proceed to click on publish. That's it. You have successfully changed your YouTube name instantly. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.